Ole Marvin. ISS out of the west. Out there. Yeah, man. Molasses, isn't it? Bandang West Molan. Listen, machine. My toes up there. Door wide open. Oh, see. Where you lock it door for? Where you lock it door for? Hold them now. Outside. Tip chill neat though. Yeah, man. Sound like a cat seat also. Outside, outside! Out there! Bad bro. Boy, Jay, drive new truck now. Hear that, man? That boy. So much done upon that. See that? Tip trail loaded, son. Neat, man. That's one like Cummins. Yeah, Cummins engine on. Tahala, you know, man. Stabilizer. One bar there for me. 1 bar. Judge star. So you go. That's how I use them for. Your boss say I come up Daddy Ross. Yeah, man, I Koinga, man. The general. Lissy Cat. Loaded son. Daddy Ross. How am I going to do this now? I have to buy a boss a drink, isn't it? Buy a boss a drink. Buy a boss a drink, man. Buy a boss a drink. Oh. Yeah, get it. Aye. Go on. Hey, boss. Daddy Ross. You know, man. 1 ton. Look how easy I get a whole load. Aye. Cover up here now, you see me? Aye, respect.